So we're happy to have with us the SCPA Development Owner. Please help us in welcoming Stuart Fantilaga.
Hi, good afternoon, everyone. Thank you so much for inviting here. Blessed afternoon sa lahat ng mga OFW, sa lahat ng mga pakinig at mga viewers. And I'm so thankful na na-invite ulit ako dito once again. I'm so sorry because I didn't ko na-anticipate at EDSA people, ano pa lang ngayon.
It's okay.
Iniwan ko yung kasama ko sa EDSA.
Yes, EDSA
Day.
It's
EDSA
okay.
Day.
I have here.
Oh, wow! How sweet naman. Oh, thank you. Is
Oh.
this our anniversary gift?
Yes.
Thank you so much.
Oh.
God bless you more
Thank you
and
so
more,
much.
Sir
Oh.
Stuart Fantilaga. Igitna natin sa iyo at sa akin, Yusek.
Oh, yan.
Oh,
Yan.
wow.
Thank you.
Thank you so much.
Oh.
Ay, may ano siya, no? Galing niya. Na-late siya, tapos meron pala siyang ano, pabuke.
Sugo.
Baka ito ang nakadelay sa kanya. Yung paggawa ng
Kailangan mo pa yan
pabuke.
kasi fresh na
Pumunta pa ako ng Dangwa
May
kanina kasi.
may
Ay,
pabuke
kaya
siya.
Hindi,
Kaya-
sobrang traffic talaga.
Kaya
And go sa,
pala.
kasi people,
Yeah, nag-gather
EDSA ngayon, maraming
Alam,
tao.
EDSA
alam mo,
Day.
Yusek, kaya napaka-generous na ating guest. Ano siya, person of God. Diba? From what I know, he's a man after God's own heart. Kaya naalala niya tayong bigyan ng bulaklak. Thank you so
Oo.
much.
At yung
Truly
bulaklak mo na yan
appreciated
nga,
po.
dahil
God
galing
bless
pa
you
yan
more
sa
and more.
Dangwa, talaga matatraffic siya.
Pinagawa ko talaga yun.
Ay, ang
see?
ganda nga eh.
Ang
oh.
ganda eh,
Kaya gusto
oh.
ko i-display. Oh, yan.
Oh, yan.
May sweet wine
Kahit
po
na
yan,
siya na
so,
lang
oh.
makita, wag na ako. Biglang ganun.
Alright.
Alright, so sige. Mag-seryoso
Pag-usapan
na
natin
tayo.
na ngayon yung...
Yung business.
The-
Tell us something about SCPA. What is this SCPA?
Actually, ECPA development, it comes from ECPM Trading. Actually, that is 10 years in service in roping solutions.
Okay.
And as we discussed another 1 year
Yeah,
ago.
roofing
No.
solution.
Roofing solutions. But
Ako,
now
kailangan yung roof.
for broader at saka wider scope of services, that's why nagkaroon ng development.
Okay.
So someday we're
Nag-expand
having,
na kayo?
Yes,
Okay.
definitely.
Yes,
So
that's
kumbaga
good to
lumalago
know.
kami, praise
Oh.
God.
That's good to know. Diba? From
Payaman ng
roofing-
payaman.
Yes, from roofing
roofing.
solutions, lumago na. Kasi
Oo.
hindi lang roof ang kailangan ng isang bahay. Diba?
Opo.
Ay, yung mga maraming pang
Magde-develop na.
materials na kailangan ng isang bahay.
So,
Okay.
1 year ago, when we had you for the first time, ano nangyari at gaano kalaki na ang itinakbo ng kumpanya?
Sobrang blessed kami, sobrang blessed ng Lord. Sobrang ano din tong program na to, nag-help din
Ay,
sa amin to boast.
thank you
Oh,
very
thank
much.
Sa mga
so
OFW,
much.
yung confident na mga clients namin, actually wala na halos pumupunta. Siguro sa 100%, there have 2% will coming lang doon sa office namin.
No.
Mostly lahat ng transaction namin is
OFW.
online, yes.
Online.
Mga OFW marami po.
Yeah.
Minsan may client kami sa Australia eh. Tawag lang siya sa amin, chat lang ng materials, we deliver to Palawan, Coron, Palawan.
Wow.
So, ganun yung confident na binigay ng mga clients namin around the world na without knowing, investigating, pero nag-profile sila.
Yes,
Because they
yes.
trusted, maayos kausap ang isip.
No, not only that. And
Oh,
because
yeah.
of that, awarded rin sila.
Yes.
Oh.
By the way, awarded
Diba?
din po
Awarded din
si,
sila. Oh.
si Sir Stuart Fantilaga sa Philippines Finest
Yes.
Business Outstanding Achievers
Achiever.
Award. Tama,
Yeah.
no?
Yes.
Okay.
And thank you sa La Visual. Napasama tayo na ilagay sa LED billboard.
Oh, yan.
May
Congratulations.
pa-award na.
Oh,
Wala
sa
ka
New
na
York.
award.
Congratulations.
Ang galante nila. May
Yes,
pa-award na
Ma'am
nga sa
Lalin.
amin.
Oh,
Meron
thank you
pa
so
pa LED
much.
billboard. Kaya yung mga
Oh.
kaibigan namin, uy, nakita. Yung mukha ni Yusek Robert at saka mukha niyo, sir, at saka
Oo,
mukha ko daw dun
wow.
sa
Oo nga eh.
o sa mga
New York.
talagang worldwide.
Grabe.
So, iba talaga si Miss Lalaine.
Yes,
Ah,
Love
iba ang
Visual
Love
Corporation.
Corporation.
Big-
Grabe
big-
silang
big time
magpa-award
yan.
at magbigay ng
Oo,
branding
oo.
sa mga
Media partner
awardees
din nila bukod sa atin sa
Yes.
Aliw Channel 23 Business Store,
True.
Yes,
yung
thank you so
graphics,
much.
True.
pati nga yung cook kasama eh.
Oh, yes. Oo, tama. Tama.
So, going back to you, sir, nung nag-e-expand na kayo, anong mga challenges that along the way? Kasi hindi yan madali eh.
Mhm.
Sobrang challenge po inaharap namin, una yung manpower. No?
Ayun.
Kasi because we have limit. Pero ang nasa solusyon na naman ang tao naman, yung summertime, sabi ko willing to wait po bukas. Because we have 5, 10 projects.
Yes, oo.
Sabay-sabay.
May pila.
Oo.
May
O, pila-pila. Alam.
Pila.
So as soon as possible that we project namin, sisingit natin ganito. So willing to wait naman because may pila dahil yung ECPM or because they trusted.
They trust
Oo.
you. Tama.
Mahirap yung quality material. Hindi maganda yung service. Mahirap
Yes.
po yun.
At hindi
True.
maganda yung outcome nung
Yes, definitely.
yung
Yes.
final delivery.
Oo.
It's a waste of time or sources.
Yes,
Yes.
oo.
So they are innovative. Kaya slogan namin, isipin the smart choice.
That's
Tama.
willing to wait.
Tama.
Yes.
As choice.
Oo.
Very important yan, customer
Yes.
service, construction business,
Yes.
Talagang you will only deal with ones that you trust. Kasi matagal-tagal din pag sasamahan nyo, halimbawa, anak ng bahay,
Yes.
aabutin minsan or
Yes, yes.
more. Kaya ang gusto mong makasama sa project na ito, yung pinagtitiwalaan mo. Saka yung talagang maganda yung customer relationship.
Yes.
Client,
Kahit
customer
yung matagal na
relations,
naming client,
oo.
actually yung mga client namin,
Oo.
naging close friend namin.
Oh.
When we
Yeah.
started, kwento ko lang doon.
Maganda
When we started,
inspirasyon.
ako nag-deliver. ikaw, di ba kami yung
Ah,
owner?
yeah.
Until now, ngayon. Yung tropa kami, parang tropa
Ah,
kami.
Oo.
Ikaw ang nag-deliver.
Yes. We
Personally.
establish rapport
Oo.
and relationship last.
Ayun.
Yun po
Okay.
yung sikreto po na
Yun,
Na-
Teka muna, yung
Yes,
sikreto,
yes.
Number- Ibitin natin, ha?
Alright. Ibibitin natin yung secret para
Bitin natin
susundan.
yan, ha? Yes, magbabalik pa ang Pilipinas. Pagkaraan lang ang mahalagang paalala.
Convenience is now 2:20. Go away, we'll be right back and you will hear some more.
Business tips. Right, balik po tayo sa Pilipinas ngayon. May bonus pa tayo. Walang katapusang business tips mula sa dalawang magagaling na CEO. Meron din po via Zoom ang business partner din ni Sir Stuart Fantilaga. Siya naman ang CEO ng Never Fades. Mamaya malalaman natin kung ano yung Never Fades. So please, help us in welcoming via Zoom, Mr. John Brian Tadlip. Hello!
Hello. Hello.
Hi!
Hello everyone.
Hi.
Yes, good afternoon.
Yes, tamang-tama yung
Narinig
suot
po ba?
nyo dahil Red, right now, almost done na tayo sa lab month, no?
Yes, tama
pero
po.
tamang-tama pa rin dahil magkaterno kayo ni Lady Eliza.
Yes.
Ano kaya po?
Tama.
Oh,
Nasa CDO po ba kayo ngayon?
Yes po,
Oh.
I am from Cagayan de Oro City.
Oh yeah, kumusta
Mm-mm.
po kayong lahat dyan sa Cagayan de Oro?
Yan.
Magandang
Medyo
araw
mainit.
po. Dito rin po sa Manila, medyo mainit na. Ayan, nag-set in na talaga ang Alright, so kanitin natin nabitin sa Pilipinas ngayon. Pinag-usapan niyo na challenges.
Challenge.
along,
Oo.
sa pag ni Sir Pantilaga ng SC. No? Ngayon na yung nag-branch na, nag-develop at
Nag-expand.
nagkaroon na ng part with na CEO, right? John Bradley.
Yeah.
So, ang gustong, pwedeng gustong magsalita sa inyo? And
Si
can
Sir
share.
Brian, naman before the partnership,
Yes.
what challenges na finish ninyo?
Pagdaanan.
Pasensya ko, mahirap I'll do my best.
Ay, yeah, please.
Speaking
In English
English
or... Okay
Yes.
po.
Yeah. So, I started 2018 as my work before worked as an online English teacher. Just realized paying on it's not that easy. So I decided to make my own. It's tough. Medyo mahirap to market sa Cagayan de Oro. So what we sell it on during pandemic time, it's quite challenging because business is the needs people. This is all about pictures, right? But then just realize na po talaga lalo na gustong gawin or nasa budget yung wala talagang like that. So medyo mahirap sa set hindi needs ng it's part need to break na po mga tao siya need. That's the reason why right after a couple of years I decided to get an idea para mabenta na needs ang ko or nasa it's one, di ba? So buy the product, buy the business because the life picture frame that they in the market. So our we sell like picture frames for fade. That's the reason brand itself
Never
fades.
life.
Ibig sabihin,
Hindi siya talaga hindi
Kupas.
siya pupupas. Yan, hindi siya napupupas.
Oo.
And then there's market before focusing with Oro people. But then as I medyo kailangan if you the bigger from the
True.
so that's
Comfort.
from the
Yeah.
comfort zone, the area where products to try venture selling it again or see kasi yung na siya yung problem is cheap na mga cost ng parcel. So I have an idea naman kung
Secure.
make sure na
This is
make sure na na customer is parcel. And
in the
Good
Perfect.
medyo may you need to with a solution problem. I started away three don't lala at that's where I was recognized by by yeah by 2020.
Okay.
So that's how I start building my brand.
it's a very
Is, right. It was, but then, you are making a business. It's not perfect, but you're learning, that your business is.
Oo. Ang sariling target.
Yeah.
May
Mm.
niche.
Yes.
Just may para some people, it's really important. Karoon ka ng
Mm-mm.
never fade picture frame. Gandang ano yan. At
Mm-mm.
likes, I think, ba yun mo
Yes,
yung
Mm.
video or kung ano man yung
Yes.
mga yun Ibang level yon to
Mm.
not just create memories but make those
Yeah.
last na pa ng mga kaabuhan mo.
That's the
Observation na-
reason. That's why my tagline: "You value your."
we're talking about
Yes.
valuing risk. So, Monkey Sir, how maintain competitiveness as the other also same line of business? So, kasi na kayong tao na kayo. Kayo, pag ang mga hindi yan.
Opo.
Hindi man-
Sa aming pinakatag na choice arise appropriate na need
Okay.
doon sa place at saka budget ni client. Pangalawa, yung pag-install exactly yung deserve ni client na maayos ang pagkakabit ng mga materyales.
Speaking of ikakabit, ibibitin lang muna natin ang pagkakabit.
Yung
Pagkakabit, ibibitin natin ang pagpapako ng materyales. Kailangan lang po nating magkaroon ng maliit, maikling break. Magbabalik po ang Pilipinas ngayon na
Yeah.
pagkaraan lang po ng ilang mahalagang
The
paalala.
time for your convenience is now 2:46. We'll be right back.
Balikan natin yung kaninang nabiting kinukwento ni
About the
Sir
materials.
Stuart Fantilaga. Ha?
Oo.
Kanina, pinag-usapan natin yung mga
Bakit sila
pinagdaanan.
naiiba?
Oo,
Bakit
yun,
sila
yun, yun.
naiiba sa
Yes, yung kanilang customer
competition?
service, kakaiba. At yung kung paano nila, yung mga kliyente nila nagiging kaibigan nila.
At the same
Lifetime
time.
friends.
At the same
Oh,
time.
yes.
Because yung materials na pinoprovide nila, first class.
Yes, yes. We have a right choice of materials, goods, customer service. Even though lagpas na doon sa warranty period, but still we working out. Kahit kung ano pa suyo po sa amin ng mga customer po namin, ginagawa po namin.
Ayun.
Not for money making, but out of our love.
Yun,
Because we
over-delivery.
consider
Over-delivery.
Yes. that-
Nag-over-deliver sila.
Extra service.
Yeah, extra service kaya.
Good thing,
Sulit na sulit
Yes,
ang,
yes.
ang price, ang binayaran ng kanilang kliyente kasi
Oo.
over-delivery ang binibigay nila.
Yes, yes.
Wow.
Because that is the legacy that we established doon sa mga customers. Kumbaga pang long term po sa amin.
Yes.
Pang
Kaya
long
balik
term.
sila ng balik.
Yes,
Tama ba,
tama.
sir? Sa,
Retention, customer retention.
Oo.
Tama po, Sir John Brian. Importante yung customer retention sa negosyo.
Absolutely.
Yes. Ganyan din po ginagawa niya sa mga customer niya sa Never Fades.
Yeah, actually, it was really hard before because I do it alone, so I don't have employees. But right after building the business, I decided to
Hire
with the help,
employees.
yeah,
Yeah.
with the help of my business partner, Mr. Stewart here.
Yes.
It made our job even easier because we do the risk like helping others as well, having a job. So it's not just a business, but as well we are helping people get a job.
True.
Right. So
That
that's the
generosity.
legacy that we are doing right now. It's not making business, but as well helping people having a job. But at the same time, we're providing a good service to our customers while they're enjoying the product. Without spending too much, because that's our goal. Because they only spend once, kasi lifetime na nga siya.
Yes.
Yun.
Opo,
So
curious na po dyan, si Jules Ramos. Saan daw po kayo makokontakt? Sa Never Fades?
Basically our page, we only have 232,000 followers through Facebook, and our page is JB Tads. So from the name J, John,
Okay, John.
B, Brian, Tads. It's a short name for my last name, Tadlip.
Tadlip.
So
Okay.
yeah, it's just a
JB
one
Tads.
space.
Okay.
So and at the same time, I get involved with influencers around the Philippines, so that's why I travel a lot.
Mhm.
Yeah, so
Nakaka-enjoy
to promote,
pala.
To promote
Nakaka-enjoy
business.
pala yung you get
Yes.
to
Yes.
travel.
So,
Oo.
the
Yes.
materials that you use for this Never Fades video is the modern
It's a photo.
technology ngayon.
yeah, it's a photo.
Photo.
Yeah.
Oh, Never
It's a
Fades
picture
photo.
frame. Yeah.
Okay. It's
Yes, that's right.
okay.
It's a picture frame where you put in the wall like that.
But it will never
so
fade like
it will never
the
fade.
others.
It's lifetime.
Oh,
Yeah.
lifetime. Wow.
The
So,
funny thing was Mr. Stewart was one of our customers.
okay.
Definitely.
Yeah, it was one
So,
of our
so
customers.
nung nilagay niyo siya sa frame, hindi
picture
nagbago. Kahit 10 years ago, bumata
Mas
pa.
kumuha Mas
Yung
kumuha
tao nagbago, yung picture hindi talaga nagbago.
Alright.
Ngayon nga, blunt na siya.
Comedian.
Oh.
Comedian si Sir.
Blunt na siya.
Oh, diba?
Nung first time, black ang hair niyan.
So it's very important din to have a business partner. A very
Na mapagkakatiwalaan
Oo,
din,
a
at saka
very
na-creative.
reliable, trustworthy, and
And
diligent
creative.
business
Absolutely.
partner.
Creative
Yes.
si Sir.
It's a dream
Sa-
come
sa
true
hair
for
pa lang
me.
yun.
Yes. Yun naman daw kay Sir Stuart Fantilaga.
Oo.
Pag daw kailangan na ng mga roofing materials and construction materials, saan daw kayo matatawagan naman?
Okay, sa lahat ng mga customer at clients namin around the world, you can contact us, in Roping Solutions. Lahat ng mga bubong na gusto ninyo, mga design, we can make it for you. You can call us or Viber us, 0916-941-0707, or you can visit our Facebook page, ECP Development, facebook.com. So, lahat po ng mga inquiries ninyo pwede namin cater kahit man sa ibang lugar man yon, kahit nasa QC base kami, we can deliver it.
Okay.
Wow.
May question lang.
Worldwide
Paano raw yung mga
customers?
bubong na nag-fade na? Kaya parang magmukhang
I-repair?
parang bago?
Actually,
O i-repair?
before
O papalitan siya?
before kami nagbibigay ng quotations, kailangan po namin
Inspect.
inspection,
Ayun.
ocular
Tama.
inspection, what recommendations.
Yes.
Ang actually dito, hindi lang yung ma'am or sir,
Hindi
hindi yung money making. Kapag makita namin magandang sitwasyon ng bubong, maayos pa, mga materyales, we suggest such things na favorable doon sa mga client namin.
Yun.
Hindi pwede na pag-apak namin sa bubong, oy, palitan natin, no.
Palitan na. Para-
no. Because
para hindi-
actually yung aming trabaho or itong sa roofing namin, we just making not money but for ministry to helping other people. For
Yeah.
example, mayaman ka, hindi ka makamakit sa bubong.
Oo.
Tapos may tulo. We address that kind of need.
Yun,
So,
oo.
ano sila? Gift nga
Dapat-
sila doon
yes.
sa mga
Oo.
nangangailangan.
Dapat pala tinawagan sila ni BF Bayani Fernando. Dahil
Definitely,
yun, umakyat
yes.
sa bubong
Oo.
eh. Kung nakausap sila,
So-
hindi na kailangan
At saka
umakyat
one
sa
thing,
bubong, hindi na
one thing din
madudulas.
po, sa aming mga previous client hanggang ngayon, talagang pinagkatiwalaan na nila kami. Kasi maraming mga niloko ng mga customer
Oo.
at saka mga contractor.
Yes.
Yes.
Kasi
yung
hindi nila nakikita
example,
yung
yung
bubong
kapal at saka yung sa
Ayun,
amin may drone
yung
pa siya.
Oo, may drone para
After
makita
service,
rin ng mga
pinapakita namin kung
may-ari.
maayos. Doon pa lang sa estado ng bubong, kung maayos sa pagpa-install, makikita mo siya.
Oo nga.
So kaya
tama.
tungtuwa lahat ng aming customer,
Yeah.
nakikita yung bahay nila.
Kasi
Pero
dati-
pinapaalam namin,
dati
yes.
wala kang camera sa bubong.
Meron
Hindi mo
kami,
alam kung
Bon.
totoong
We invested for,
palitin na yung
yeah.
bubong eh.
So,
Oo.
gumagamit na kayo ng drone.
Drone.
So, magaling ka na
Yes.
mag-drone na yun.
Yung aming tao nandun sa baba ngayon.
Oh, wow.
Na naiwan.
Paturo mo naman siya sa
Oh,
akin
diba?
kasi niregaluhan ako ng drone ng
Oh.
son ko.
Oh, sige.
Hanggang ngayon, di ko pa nabubuksan. Dahil di ako
i-unbox
marunong.
na yan.
Alright, sige. After the show, magturoan kayo. Tutok lang po kayo ha sa Sulong na Bayan with Miss Loli Acosta. Thank you so much, Mr. John Bryan,
Umabot
the gift
umabot.
of Never Fades, and Sir Stuart Pantilaga of SCPA Development. Thank you so much.
Thank you for the
Salamat.
beautiful
Yes, thank you
arrangement
for
of the
the
flowers.
beautiful bouquet.
Shout out. Pwede mag-shout out?
Sure,
Shout out
sure.
sa mga nakikinig,
Sure.
sa kay Fidila, at saka sa aming mga, tawag nito, mga customers, at saka sa mga
Kaibigan.
Roping Masters. God bless you all.
Amen.
Thank you so
God bless
much.
you all. Thank you.
The time for your convenience is now 3 p.m. See you
Sulong na
again.
Bayan. Tutok lang po.
Susunod na. Mabuhay!